Hey guys, so I've been meaning to share my favorite go-to spaghetti sauce recipe with you guys. It's quick and easy, only a few ingredients, and it's so good. You're not going to want to buy jarred spaghetti sauce anymore after you try this, and make it your own. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to brown your ground beef or your ground turkey, whatever meat you're using. You want to go ahead and brown it and drain it and set it aside. Now in that same skillet, you want to add a few tablespoons of olive oil. And then you're going to throw in some diced onions, and you're going to let that start to cook down and sweat a bit. Next, you're going to throw in some red pepper flakes and some minced garlic. And you're going to let that continue to cook for a couple of more seconds, just until your garlic starts to get nice and aromatic. Next, you're going to go ahead and add in a couple of cans of crushed tomatoes. And then we're going to go ahead and add our ground beef back in. Now for seasonings, I added in some dried Italian herb seasoning. I added in a little bit of umami seasoning. I love umami seasoning. I threw in some sugar, just a little bit, to balance that tomato acidity. I added in some dried oregano, a little bit of lawrys seasoning. I threw in a couple of bouillon cubes, some smoked paprika, and you also want to throw in a bay leaf. I'll make sure I leave all the seasonings and the amounts in the description box below. Now once you have everything in the pot, go ahead and give it a good mixing. And we're going to let this simmer on low for about 20 minutes. And after about 20 minutes, you're going to have the most delicious, flavorful, thick sauce. I never went back to the jarred stuff. It is so good. You can add a little bit of this, you can add a little bit of that, and you can definitely make it your own. This right here is how I make it, how I enjoy it, but please give this a try and let me know what you think about it. Yum.